Yes, hi, all. Okay. So I can see in the group, there are many people who have joined newly. Okay, many new joiners are there actually in the group. So what I will do is like, let me take a small recap on the previous classes that we have done. Okay, small recap for today. Okay, so I already told you in the previous classes also, I already told you that font in the home tab, you have to focus more on font and paragraph only. Why? Because in the font, you can learn how to increase your font, decrease your font, changing your font style, making bold, italic, underline, making a font color, changes of a font color, increasing and decreasing a font size, and changing your capital letters to small letters to capital letters automatically. Okay, so these are the things you can learn in this font. Coming to a paragraph, in the paragraph, you will be learning how to change the alignments. Alignment means center alignment, left alignment, right alignment, how to change these alignments, bullets and numbering, and making a borders, shading. So these are the things you will learn here. Okay, and indents also, making a page indent also. Okay, so any document that you create in a Word, in the Word document, anything you do, paragraph and font will take a most important place. Okay, so this will take a most important place. So let me have a small recap about this. So I have a small text here. Any formatting that you do in the Word document, you have to select. First, you have to select. Okay, say here I'm changing a font style. First, I'm going to change a font style. See, any style you can change from here. See, any of the style you want, you can change. Okay, say I'm changing a font style. I am increasing a font from here, increasing a font. So you can also decrease, you can also increase. Okay, you can make it, say underline. Say first I will give underline and I will remove the underline. So I'm going to change my font color for all, black. Okay, so just observe like this. It became like this. Okay, so just observe what I'm going to do here. So I have written one heading. For this heading, here computer C is in a capital. I want present P also to be in a capital, G also to be in a capital, generation. Okay, just select, click on this option called a change case. In this, you have 5 cases. That is sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word. Okay, so sentence case means what happens, each and every full stop, after each and every full stop, the first letter will become a capital. Okay, now, so the next one is lower case means everything becomes in a small letters. Okay, see upper case means everything becomes in a capital letters. See, let me show you here. Just observe. Sentence, this is in a sentence case now. Okay, say lower case, everything became a small. everything became a capital, like it will come. Capitalized each word means in every word, the first letter becomes a capital. Say here, for this one, I'm taking a capitalized each word. In every word, first letter will become a capital. That means, understood, no? You can also change your color, font color. Say any of the font color you want, you can change. Increase your font. You can make it a alignment, center alignment like this. Okay, say here also. You can change the font color, which color you want. You can change that particular color. Say whichever color you want, you can make that color. And alignment, you can make a justified alignment which gives you even. Say here, one letter is big, one letter is small, again big, again small, like this you have, right? You can click on justify, say that becomes a even. Okay, so like this you can do. And you can also give a line spacing. Say line spacing means paragraph line spacing you can do. See, like this. Say what I will do here is, for this line, for this paragraph, I'm going to give a line spacing here like this. Okay. Again, say I'm using a enter. Even for this also, you can give a line spacing like this. If you don't want, like space, you don't want any space if you don't want, you want your text to be normal, joint. In that case, remove space before and after. So if you remove space after, that becomes joint. Okay, so remove space before, that becomes like this. Understood, no? So space removing also is more important. Say adjusting this line spacing is very much important. Okay, so now you can also give a paragraph border. Say paragraph border. You can click on a borders and shading. Say select any of the border style you want. Select a color, which color is required for you. Select a paragraph size. Click OK. Say paragraph border you can apply. Paragraph border. These things now applying a paragraph border. After all, selecting or after typing everything, after all typing everything, then only you should do the paragraph border. Understood? No, before only you do, it will not come. After typing everything, only you have to apply the borders and all. Okay, and this one is a paragraph border I have taken. Page border also you can apply. Say page border. Go here, select box. You can select any of the one. You can select a line. You can select your, like color. Click OK. This is a page border. Okay. This is a normal page border. You can also give a art in the page border. See, page border. This is a art. From here, you can select any of the art. Any art you can select. You can apply that one as a border. See, this kind of art also you can apply as a border. Okay. You can also give a shading for your paragraph. Paragraph shading. See, this is a paragraph shading. You can give a paragraph shading like this. Understood, no? So see how neatly I have modified my paragraph here. So like this, you can change everything. Okay. Next, uh, yeah, insert. Coming to in the insert, I have explained up to tables. Correct. So table means you can select any of the table you want. You can apply a table like this. Say you can select these two, and you can also give on a merge means which will help you to merge two different cells into single cell. Okay, so you can select everything, select all. So click on layout option, click on merge cell, that will get merged. So like this you can merge all the different like tables. You can merge different tables like this. Okay, see, just example only I'm showing you here. You can merge like this. So you can merge like this. Okay, you can do like this. So whenever I'm typing any text, say I'm typing a text here. case. Say if you come to a layout option, you have a text direction also. You can change into a different text. See, direction, you can see. Just I'm typing simple word here. To text. See the direction. If you move this one like this, it will change. And you can even change the alignments here also. This is a text direction I have taken. Okay. Alignment also, center alignment, left alignment, right alignment, whichever alignment you want, you can change the alignment here also. Got it? So it's a very easy process. This one, as I have explained you in the last class. And pictures, say inserting a picture. Pictures are nothing about this device. You can go to this device. You can insert a picture from this device. Okay. Say how to insert a picture. Say first I'm going to download one small picture. Okay, na? Let me download a picture. Like that. Say I'm just taking computers. Say I'm clicking on images. See, select. You can select any of that. Do right click. Save images. Click on save images. Okay. So once it is coming like this, click on save option. That's all. So your image is getting saved here. Save images. These things, no, if you don't have an internet, you can do like this. Okay. Say just click on image pictures. This device is nothing about in this computer, this folder. In this computer, this folder. Understood? No. In this computer, this folder. Say you can just select, click on insert. See how it got inserted. Okay. How it got inserted. So again, I will show you. Click on insert, click on pictures. This device means within your computer only it will come. In the pictures that is already downloaded in the computer. Okay, no pictures that is downloaded in the computer. Suppose I don't have any pictures in my computer. Say I don't have any pictures in my computer, but my computer is connected to the internet. If your computer is connected to the internet, you can use this option called online pictures. Microsoft will also give you online pictures. Okay, so here which kind of pictures you want, select, just give that picture name here, that's all. See, you already have many. See, if I click on birds, all the kind of bird pictures will open. Okay, so here what happens, no, like you will just have to select which kind of pictures is required for you. You can select that kind of pictures actually. It will come, but somewhere it is not coming, but okay, no problem. We will try. See, all the kind of bird pictures. Just select, click on insert. It will get inserted here like, okay. See, online pictures. Few things will not come. When it is a copyright, that kind of pictures will not come. See, I got. You can, with the corner place, the round mark you have, no, with this corner place, you can reduce the size of that picture also. See, you can reduce the size of that picture. After that, with the help of a picture format, you can even format your pictures for however you want. You can format the frame for that pictures. Understood? No? You can format the frame for the pictures. Okay, so this is a picture. After the picture, you have a flowcharts, shapes, everything. See, you can use this kind of a shape like this. Okay, this kind of shapes you can use. Rectangle shape you can use, circle shape you can use, line you can use. So these flow charts and all, you can use a flow chart. Also, all the kind of a flow charts and all you can use. So this kind of assignments and all I have already given to you. Just I'm doing a small recap only. You have an icon also. You can even put an icon. Okay, say any type of icon you want, you can use this icon also. So even that icon also, it will work here. Okay, so any kind of icon you can use, click insert, it will work. So this icon again you can place on your, pictures, or you can even place on your table. Table also you can place the icon. See here, just click on this cell, go to insert, click on icon. So you can place any of the icon within that cell also you can place the icon like this. Okay, fine then. So next, smart art. Smart art also I have already explained you many times. Smart art. See, just click on smart art. You have so many kind of a smart arts progress. This one also I have already explained you. Say cycle, process, anything you can import like this. After importing, you can change your colors, which color is required for you. According to that, you can change the color. You can change your, page formatting also you can do. Okay. Chart also you can insert. Just click on that, click OK. Chart will get inserted here. Okay, na? That kind of a chart is inserted here. Okay. So you can also insert a header and footer also. Header and footer is nothing about heading, file and
इसमें
footer.
साउंड बढ़ा सकती हैं, हेडफोन में है, अब भी
Signature.
साउंड होना है इसमें, इसमें फुल है, बढ़ा सकते
You
हैं,
can also insert a
होता
picture in the
हैंग
box.
होता है,
There is no doubt.
क्या होता है बहनी,
You can all insert a picture also. Okay. You can all insert a picture also. Okay. So next one is like yeah, text header and footer. I was telling na, header, heading of a file. So in the header, whichever header you want, you can insert that kind of header actually. These are all like heading. You will call it as a heading, header of a file. Say title. Title, let me take say MS Office project. This is the title, heading of the file. Okay. Same way you will have a footer also. Say footer means signature line. You will call it as a signature line. Footer. Say who has done this one. So those names you can use here. In the footer, you can use those names. Who has done this one? Okay. Say for example, I can take Excel online like this. See who has done. Header and footer is repeated. One sheet you give for all the sheet, header and footer will repeat. There is no doubt at all. See, every sheet you can see header and footer is repeated. Okay, this one you can try header and footer. So next one is a text box. So text box is very simple. You can use a different kind of a text box, but first one you use, it will be more useful. Say first text box I have taken. Simple. This is a one small text box now. Say you can make it a lengthy like this, or you can use a small text box like this. Say I will copy the same text box I can use for different formatting actually. See, copy. Copy and paste only you do. Don't do anything here. Only copy paste. See how I am doing here. Just I am doing a copy paste only. Nothing more. Only copy paste. Only copy paste you can do. That's it. Okay. See. I'm taking like this. This kind of assignment, hope you have already done in the previous class, but that was a table. Whatever I gave you was a table, but this is like something called assignment only. See, like With the help of this text box, you will do this one. Okay. If you want to give a heading for this, for heading, you can use a shape. Not text box is not required, but you can use a shape like this. Okay. You can use a shape like this. Understood? No? Just maintain that alignments properly for that particular line. That's all. See? Again. This same shape you can use for all. Just observe how I am doing. Say I'm just copy paste only I'm doing, nothing more. Only copy paste. Maintain proper alignment, that's all. This is a blue color, right? You can go click on shape format, change the color. Or just keep no fill color, no outline color. Outline color let it be, but no fill color you do. It will not come. See, no fill color you do like this. You can use. Understood, no? So any doubt you have here, is it clear? Is it clear to all? Any doubts you have here? Is it clear to all? Any doubts you have here? Clear to all. If it is clear to all, please raise your hands up. Mute is not possible. Anything you can discuss in the chat. Anything, any questions you want, you can discuss in the chat. Because if I do unmute, it is getting so much disturbance actually. So what is a doubt you have? Aisha, you can ask me. What doubt you have? You can unmute yourself and you can ask what doubt you have. You can insert a picture. That is already I have done now. You can insert a picture in the box. It is already done, no? You try inserting a picture, shape, anything you want. I'm inserting a picture, just observe. You can insert a picture, you can insert an icon, you can insert anything. Okay? Anything else? Service invoice page. Can you share me that one in the WhatsApp? Okay, so anyone who has attended the last previous sessions can explain this one how to do, because this is not the new actually. This topic is already done. This is a table only you have to insert. Can anyone explain Like to whom they have asked. Who was the person asked this question? So can anyone explain who is perfect with this? Just explain, that's all. You don't have to show. You can just tell how to use. What are all the options that you have to use? Nobody? One second. One second. Just give me 1 minute. You can unmute yourself. Who can explain it perfectly? You can unmute yourself. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, you can speak. Yeah.
Ma'am, in this picture, what we should do is, uh, like, we should use the shapes, ma'am.
Shapes.
Shapes
It is
in
not shape.
shapes.
This is not shape. No, this is a table. No.
Uh,
Ma'am, actually,
the
I can
table is
insert
there,
the
ma'am.
table and do it. I'm asking about the page color and all the design, what it is done.
Page
Yes,
color
ma'am.
and design, you can do it using a shape only.
Yes, ma'am. What I was saying was that, ma'am.
Shape
Shapes only you
only.
have to put in. Shapes only
You
you have
can
to
use the
put
shape.
in
No,
those
design,
directions.
color, everything is a shape only, right? That is correct. What? 1 minute. Abdul is telling is absolutely correct. Shape only you have to use.
And
Shape
how
also,
about the
and we
next
have
one,
a
ma'am?
Which one?
The next image with the table insertion, synonyms for aisles.
That is also
this is also
table
same,
only.
ma'am.
No.
Yeah, that is the
No,
table, ma'am.
it-
The color
Hmm.
page
That
and
color.
is
above
It
also
is
that
page.
logo
it
insertion.
is also completely page color only you should do. Okay. Just go there. Design tab. In the design tab, you have a page color. Click on a page color. Select any of the page color you want. That's all.
Ma'am, before that, we have to use the shape, ma'am. I think so. For that
Yes.
border, yes, ma'am. For that border, we have to use shapes. And once
Yes.
there is, ma'am, after putting the border and then giving a page color, then we go to that logo upside, ma'am. QV Provo.
Logo and
Let me.
solution for the highlights learning is a header.
Ma'am, header, ma'am. We should put that in header.
Yes.
And again, that Provo is there, ma'am.
Logo, logo
I have done that.
header
I have
only.
done that assignment, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Let me
Yes,
just
ma'am. I have.
show to the people once here in the team. Okay. So just see all those things. Whoever has done, like say the one who has done this assignment. Let me just show it once again for you. Say shapes, you have to use the shapes and you have to use everything shapes only, nothing more dear. It's completely using the shapes only you should do. Okay. So which shape is suitable for you, that shape you can use here. Okay. From here, you can select any of the shape which is suitable for you.
Ma'am, I think this one, ma'am. First, we have to put the border beside that circle, ma'am. About He's asking about the second assignment, ma'am.
Second or third, whichever assignment, I'm just showing her how to do. Okay, say the corner pages. You are going to take with the corner pages only. It is like circle or anything else you can select. Okay, but everything depends on the corner of your page only. Okay, no, it's nothing like something more different, but page corners. Just select your
There is
page
one more
corner.
thing.
I'm just showing you as an example, taking with a different shape. That's it. Okay. It is completely like your yellow color. So just change it for yellow color. You have to remove your outline color. You have to remove your outline colors. You have to remove. So go to outline color, no outline color. Okay. So just go no outline color. So here also no outline color. So remove the outline
Even you can,
colors. Yeah, please continue.
yes, ma'am. After finishing this assignment, ma'am, when you
Hmm.
print the assignment, this that what you say,
See,
sorry,
it is
the border
very
side,
simple. Okay, say this is like a letterhead. These things may be like a letterhead or billing statements. Okay, one thing you can customize by yourself. The thing is like you can customize by yourself, first one, or you can also use this cover page. If you go to this cover page, even in this cover page also, you can take the cover page however you want. The one, okay, documents, everything, you can select the one however you want. Okay, but the thing here is if you use this cover page, that will be like a first page only. That will show as a
ma'am.
first page only.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. One more thing, ma'am. Uh,
Hmm.
encountered some problem in this, ma'am. Like
Hmm.
but I resolved it. Like
Okay.
when you finish this assignment, ma'am, when
Hmm.
you go to print option, when you
Hmm.
print it in PDF or
Hmm.
something else, uh, uh, at four corners means it's four sides. We have like
Hmm.
half inch margin, ma'am. After
Yeah,
the
that
margin, it
will
will not
change
print,
actually.
ma'am. That is not going to print, ma'am. It's coming blank. You can try it,
Huh,
ma'am.
why it will come blank? Why?
Print
Because
option.
see, let
I
me
explored
explain.
it.
This will come blank. Why? Because this service invoice is not done in the Word document. Okay, this is done in the designer software. We will have a designer softwares like a Corel Draw. With the help of the
No, ma'am.
designer software, they have modified this invoice. Okay, so we can do it in a Word document also. But what happens, the corner side, these shapes and all, it will not come in the Word document when you take a printout and all. Like printout, it
Ma'am,
will come. But tell
ma'am,
me.
ma'am, I resolved that problem, ma'am. There is a there in print option there is a option there is a option called option, ma'am, where we can remove that white thing. Something is written there. Then we when we unclick that, we can even print that border also, ma'am.
We will get, okay. So, but this designer software, we have to use a designer software, because every time when we are going to do a printer, every time we cannot do that option. Okay, this is like a billing sheets, right? So we will have a internal software for us. With the help of that internal software, we will only enter the data. Understood, no? While we are taking a
Yes,
printout
ma'am.
also, with the help of the internal software only, we will take a printout. So basically, these kind of things, mainly this kind of assignment, we will do one in the Excel, the other one in the designer software. We will finish it off. Okay. The reason why I gave you to do in the Word document means you should be able to do any MS Office application. It may be Word or Excel, anything. You should be able to do that. At least you should put the effort of doing it. So that is the reason I have given for you to do. Okay. One time print. If you are writing in a hand, say if we go to any shopping mall and all, they will give you printed invoices, printed billings. They will give you printed billings means it is done with the internal software. Okay. Second point, if they give you by hand, if they are giving you, as you told, you do it in a Word document, take 1,000 or 2,000 prints at once.